Good morning, I'm back. Another video. So but this time to LSD. Slow long distance lang. Here from Top Avenue, Malate, Ermita na. Going to UP Diliman campus. We'll try to just slow pace 3 hours. And I'm back. So maliwanag na. It's 12 kilometers, 12k almost. So tanaw ko na yung Quezon City Memorial Cell Tower. Siguro mga 20 minutes dito na tayo. Hi, crossing EDSA. Meron pala dito, akit ba sa mga displayan na overpass. Meron ka baka di walking tayo, mapikitan tayo. And finally, hindi pa ako nakarating sa UP. Quezon City Memorial. That's good. Okay, see you later. And I'm here. Entrance sa UP. Universidad ng Pilipinas. And finally guys, I'm here in UP Diliman campus. So guys, done with slow LSD 15k. Now I'm trying to steady pace for 30 minutes, then pack up, balik uwi. So that's it, 30 minutes tempo, steady pace. So okay na yan, pwede na umuwi.